Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the one, the only Air Force Ones. I've had them for about a year and a half. I know the title says a year, but it's really almost been about a year and a half, and I've definitely put a good amount of miles on them. They've been abused, they've been beaten, and really they've seen things that no sneaker should ever see. And throughout all that, they've honestly held up pretty well. We're going to be talking about the wear on the upper, the outsole. We're going to talk about how comfortable these have been, and lastly just give some final thoughts on the shoe. The upper has definitely held up well. There hasn't been any major damage to the leather, so it gets a thumbs up for me for relative durability. My shoes are a bit dirty. I do clean them when they need it. The only thing I haven't really cleaned yet that I definitely need to is the laces, but other than that I keep them pretty clean. You know, we got to talk about it, the creasing. Everyone hates the creasing. We got people out here wearing the anti-crease inserts, people ironing their shoes. Like, bruh, just don't walk and you should be good. But really, to me, the creasing wasn't such a big deal. When I have them on feet, I don't even really notice the creases. It's only really when you take them off that you realize, damn, these things are creased. Even when it comes to keeping them clean, people are super careful, which is totally understandable. Like, I know there isn't anything cute about a dirty Air Force Ones, but the ones here in this photo, they don't look super dirty. They're not super offensive. Like, am I tripping? As long as they don't look like this, I feel like the Air Forces are fine. But let me know in the comments, should Air Force Ones always be clean and creaseless, no exceptions? Or is it okay to show a bit of age and for them to be a little bit dirty? Moving on to the outsole, that thick outsole. It's only got a bit of heel fade in the past year and a half that I've worn them, which is pretty good. I mean, look at how thick that insole is. You're not going to wear it out anytime soon. The midsole has started to yellow a bit, which, I'm going to be honest here, I don't mind. I know there are lots of people out there that hate that, but I really don't mind it. I actually kind of like it. I think it gives the shoe a very vintage look. Although I'm not a big fan of intentionally yellowing the outsole, like, just wear the shoes, it's okay. Overall, the outsole gets 2 thumbs up for me because of how thick and how durable it's been. Now for the comfort, over the past year and a half, they've been nothing but comfortable for me. And how can they not be? You know, you got a midsole that adds 1.5 inches. I mean, let's just talk about that. I mean, picture this. You're going to some social event, you know, you're going to be mingling with the casuals or whatever. Throw on a pair of clean Forces and watch the inches be added to your boy. You're going to be looking like a tall glass of water of all those inches you're going to be packing on. Emphasis on the inches, not singular inches, plural inches. I mean, it's just like 1.5 inches, but I mean, it's still more than 1 inch. Anyways, back to the comfort. It has a super thick outsole. It's got an air unit, and it also has a comfortable insole. So really, there's like no way this shoe could have ever been uncomfortable. It's weird though, because for me, it's like stealth comfort. Let me explain. Like, you're not gonna put these on and instantly be like, oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. No, but what will happen is that you're gonna be wearing these all day. You're going to be walking around all day, and you're going to realize that your feet are not fatigued. It's comfort that's so good, you're not even going to notice it. Honestly, for what they are, these are some of the most comfortable shoes I've ever owned. Now, before you tell me, what about Ultra Boost or, you know, whatever new shoe tech is out. These shoes came out in the 80s, and it has a whoopee cushion in its midsole, and it's more comfortable than 90% of the shoes out there. So, props to where props is due. Overall, this shoe really just checks off every box. It looks good, it adds height, it's durable, it's leather, it's white, and it's comfortable. I don't think these shoes are overrated. They deserve all the praise people give them. If you buy a pair of these and you take care of them, they're definitely going to last you a really long time. They're one of the best summer sneakers out there. I'm talking about the white ones anyways. Just do yourself a favor and don't buy the black ones. Because if you do wear the black ones, you getting detained by the cops is going to go up 10%. Your violent activities are going to go up 20%. Violent thoughts will go up 50%. You're going to be 3 times more likely to listen to NBA Youngboy. People's trust in you is going to go down 90%. It's just not worth it.